Welcome to my YouTube channel. EpicCompare channel provides unique and quality content, so if you like it, please subscribe. In this video, we compare different designs of starships in a tropical lagoon environment. Starships are more than just futuristic vehicles, they're a fusion of imagination and technology. Some are built for speed, others for looks, and some have features we can only dream of. These designs give us a glimpse into what future transportation might look like, but they also tell stories. Some ships are sleek and fast, cutting through the air effortlessly, while others are bold and colorful, almost like they're straight out of a dream. You'll see a variety of starships today. Some are designed to fly smoothly through space or the skies, while others catch your eye with their vibrant colors and intricate details. Each one has its own charm. Whether it's about speed, innovation, or creativity, there's something here for everyone. Now picture this, a peaceful tropical lagoon with sparkling waters and lush greenery. The air is calm and everything feels serene. Above the lagoon, sleek starships hover gently, their engines creating small ripples on the water. A light mist rises from the surface, adding an element of mystery. It's easy to imagine these ships arriving for a special purpose, maybe to explore, gather information, or simply admire the untouched beauty of this remote paradise. So why the lagoon setting? Maybe it's the calm, peaceful vibe that makes it the perfect backdrop for these futuristic ships. Or perhaps it's the idea that the lagoon holds a mystery waiting to be explored. The combination of sleek starships and natural beauty reminds us that the future of exploration is about more than just progress. It's about embracing the journey and appreciating the world around us. As we venture deeper into this Starship showcase, one thing becomes clear. Each ship carries its own story, its own purpose, and a dream of what's to come. Some starships are designed for exploration, equipped with technology that allows them to chart unknown territories and unravel the mysteries of distant galaxies. Others are built for survival with armored hulls and advanced shielding systems, preparing them for the most extreme environments imaginable. The more we dream about these ships, the more we realize that the future is not something to fear, it's something to embrace. It's a future where technology enhances our experience, where we can connect with the world around us in new and exciting ways. The starships we've seen today are just the beginning, and as technology evolves, so too will our dreams and ambitions. Who knows what the future holds? One thing's for sure, the journey has only just begun. I hope this video has inspired you to think about the future of starship design in a new way. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the EpicCompare channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What design stood out to you the most? Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and always stay curious. The future is full of possibilities, and it's waiting for us. For now, just enjoy this beautiful video as we showcase 88 unique starship designs. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to include the number. watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and hit subscribe to join the Epic Compare crew. More unique, high-quality content is coming your way soon. Stay tuned.